So hi, இன்னைக்கு வந்துட்டு நம்ம வந்துட்டு rest of the people from like Scorpio அன்னைக்கு Virgo வரைக்கும் தான பார்த்தோம். Yes, from Libra to Pisces வரைக்கும் நம்ம வந்து இன்னைக்கு வந்துட்டு for career reading வந்து பார்க்கலாம். It's going to be the general reading again and again I'm telling you. So if it resonates with you, it may or may not resonate with you. உங்களுக்கு எது ரெசோனேட் ஆகுதோ அதை மட்டும் நீங்கள் இதை மட்டும் நீங்கள் வந்து எடுத்துக்கலாம். And I have given my Instagram page and my WhatsApp number in the description box if you want to book tarot reading. Other than tarot reading, I'm also doing the manifestation program and card cutting therapy in solita. I'm doing that also, and the mind reprogramming program abdin solita, which will help you to reprogram your mind, whichever it is or whatever it is haunting you or it is daunting you. I will certain methods alam vandirukku that would definitely help you to come out of any kind of fear, anxiety. So on the program I'm also doing it, and I'm also helping switch words also. If you want to buy switch words, you can buy it from me. So whatever it is, you can ping me in the my WhatsApp number. It's 8610337463. Okay, nama vandi pa start pannalam. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Libra. Okay. Show me the cards which I need to see. So for Libra, 10 of Wands, 2 of Swords and the 5 of Pentacles. I think Libra people, most of the Libra people are going through some கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளமேட்டிக்காக போயிட்டுருக்குன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஓவர் ஒர்க் லோட் ஃபார் சம் பீப்புள். பாதி பீப்புளுக்கு வந்துட்டு அப்படியே வந்து ஸ்டக் ஆயிடுச்சு. யூ கேனாட் மேலேயும் போக முடியல. ஃபார் சம் ஆஃப் த பீப்புளுக்கு கீழே வரல. அண்ட் யூ ஃபீல் ஸோ அபண்டன்ட் இன் யுவர் ஒர்க் ஆல்சோ. So abundant, you feel so abundant. Okay, show me the cards you need to see for the people of Libra. Why the 2 of Swords is here? Why the 2 of Swords is here? Show me the cards, please. Why the 2 of Swords is here for the people of Libra regarding their career reading? Okay, for some of the people, you know, you have started something new that also leads to a lot of heartbreak, lot of pain. Neenga nanacha madri vandu edume vandu kedaikala. And for some of the people, you are facing problem because of your boss. Most of the people ku paathitinga na lady boss nala you are just facing certain kind of problems I could sense here. Okay, let's see why the 5 of Pentacles is here. Why the 5 of Pentacles is here? Why the 5 of Pentacles is here? Why the 5 of Pentacles is here? Five of Pentacles, you know, 8 of Swords. You feel so fear, you feel so anxiety. எனக்கு கண்ணை கட்டி விட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கு. I feel literally abundant. Literally abundant. For some of the people, you know, like எனக்கு இருக்கவே பிடிக்கல அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு இது. You're in a lot of confusions. You have so many choices in front of you. Don't know which one to go for. எனக்கு இதுதான் வந்து போகணுமா, இதுதான் வந்து போக வேண்டாமா அப்படின்ற ஒரு இதுவே வந்து எனக்கு வந்து இல்லை. I'm under a lot of confusions. I have so many in front of me. I'm getting a lot of depressed because of this. Yes. 8 of Swords. 5 of Pentacles is clarified by the 8 of Swords. See, you're here and how do you feel? This is your imagination. the problem maybe looks very small, but your imagination is killing you more. நீங்க அதாவது ஒண்ணுமே இல்லாத விஷயத்தை கூட வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப பெருசா வந்து இப்போதைக்கு வந்து நீங்க யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. மேபி அது வந்துட்டு இட்ஸ் எந்த ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமும் சால்வ் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமாக தான் இருக்கும், பட் யூ ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் ஓவர் இமேஜினிங் த ப்ராப்ளம். ட்ரை டு சால்வ் த ப்ராப்ளம், get into the solution. You are just fearing, you are in the anxiety, that's why you are stuck, you are truce, you are in a stage of truce. I don't know what to do, எனக்கு என்ன பண்றதுனே வந்து தெரியல. I was stuck. Nobody is stuck, nobody is stuck in the life. Everybody life is so moving. If you wake up in the morning, just realize if you want to move your life in a positive way, or you just want to go நீங்க நடந்ததே நினைச்சு you are going to waste your time, or what is the solution for this? What I have to do? Should I come out of this? Should I ignore that? Should I ignore this negative people, something like that? Or அந்த மாதிரி வந்துட்டு நீங்க தான் வந்து யோசிச்சுக்கணும். You are under a lot of pain. I could see that because of your senior problem, something like that. You are under a lot of confusion. Still I could sense that because 3 கார்டு வந்திருக்கு. 3 கார்டுமே வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா you are in a, நான் அப்படியே நிற்கிறேன், எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறதே தெரியல, நான் அப்படியே போயிட்டுருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி. Why the 10 of Wands is here? Why the 10 of Wands is here? Why the 10 of Wands is here? I feel so abandoned. எனக்கு வேலை இல்லை, எதுவுமே இல்லை. I have to take care of my family also. So most of the people, your family is so burden on you because எனக்கு வேலையிலையும் பிரச்சனையாக இருக்குது. எனக்கு வீட்டுக்கு வந்தாலும் வந்துட்டு I could not able, I mean I feel so feel burden about my family because I don't, ஏன்னா எனக்கு வேலையிலேயே வந்துட்டு I'm not getting proper, எனக்கு வேலையும் பிடிக்கல, வேலையில் எனக்கு எந்த ஒரு ரெகக்னைசேஷனும் கிடைக்கல, எனக்கு என் ஃபேமிலி ப்ராப்ளம் வேறு நிறையா இருக்குது. I don't know what to do. Take one step at a time. ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராப்ளமாக வந்து சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க. பிகாஸ் எனிதிங் இட் குட் பி லைக் எல்லாமே சால்வ் பண்ணுறது தான், எதுவுமே சால்வ் பண்ணாததெல்லாம் வந்து எதுவுமே வந்து கிடையாது. ஸோ கோ ஸ்டெப் பை ஸ்டெப். ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் டேக் அட்வைஸ் ஃபார் யூ. Okay, Libra advice. What is the best advice for Libra? What is the best advice, career reading for Libra? You are under so much fear and anxiety. Come out of it. பயப்படாதீங்க. என்ன பண்ணிட போறாங்க? கழுத்தியா சீவிட போறாங்க. What's the best advice? Show me the one card, please. Page of Cups. Okay. Maybe like you're so emotional right now. Try to reduce your emotion and try to think everything in a logical way, logical or intellectual, or what I have to do next. Then and there you will get a solution. Okay, don't be so emotion will cut out the truth sometimes. நம்ம கண்ணை மறைச்சிடும். ஓவர் பாசம் ஓவர் லவ் எல்லாம் வந்து சில நேரம் நம்மளுடைய கண்களை வந்து மறைச்சிடும், நமக்கு உண்மையவே பார்க்க விடாது. ஓவர் எமோஷன்ஸ், டோன்ட் பி ஸோ எமோஷ்னல். லைஃப்பில் வந்துட்டு எமோஷன்ஸ் இருக்கணும் தான், பட் இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஸோ எமோஷ்னல் பீப்புள் வில் டேக் அஸ் ஃபார் கிராண்டட். ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக யோசிங்க. ப்ராக்டிக்கல் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட், எமோஷன் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். Show me the cards I need to see for the people of Scorpio. Show me the cards I need to see for the people of Scorpio. Show me the cards I need to see for the people of Show me the cards I need to see for the people of Scorpio regarding their career. What are the cards I need to see? The cards I need to see. Wow. Maybe your you have come out of some a painful moment. You are just letting go of that painful moment. A new beginning is starting. A new beginning is starting. And okay, for some of the Scorpio people, you are going to undertake, or you're just going to take over your family business or family tradition, something. So, family business in Amanda, I'm just going to take care. Or for some of the people, whatever you think, the happiness, the satisfaction, complete satisfaction, yes, you're going to receive in your work. Okay, let's clarify that. Okay, why the 10 of Pentacles is here? Because I could sense a lot of a new beginning. For some of the people who are the path, I could sense a new beginning, because you have come out of some painful moments right now regarding your career. Okay, why the 10 of Pentacles is here for the people of Scorpio? Why the 10 of Pentacles is here? Why the 10 of Pentacles is here? As I told you, right, you have started something new. Because it is clarified by the Fool, again the Ace of Wands and the Judgment. 10 of Pentacles, okay, you have started something new. Fool, Ace of Wands, because new beginning. Something new has started in your life and you are so happy about it and you are so calm, okay, and you are trying to analyze, you are realizing something, you are getting into that work or into the job, something here I could sense here, and that is giving you the happiness. That is what I could see. Why the Ace of Wands is here? Why the Ace of Wands is here? Again, I'm telling you, this is the general reading. If you want to take personal reading that is chargeable, you have to WhatsApp me. Ace of Wands. Why is the Ace of Wands is here? Why is the Ace of Wands is here? Why is the Ace of Wands is here? Wow. Very, very good cards. Okay, in the new place, you would get some mentor. For some of the people, you would get some mentor or just a higher official, or it could be a senior. You're going to get some kind of advice, some kind of a guru, and the madri one you could meet. And I could also see a beautiful cards for the people of Scorpio. There is going to be chasing, there is going to be a action is going to take place in your work. And the Magician card, you see, everything is in your hand right now. Whatever you have, what are the sources, all sources right now, it is in your hand. How you are going to utilize that is going to matter a lot, because you have crossed all the painful moments in your career. Show me the advice for the people of Scorpio. Show me the advice for the people of Scorpio. Show me the advice for the people of Scorpio. See, I told you, right? Happiness. Be happy. Be optimistic. Positive. You will come through. You will come over any kind of hard moments in your life. Thank you so much. Next is going to be for Sagittarius, okay? Sagittarius. Okay, show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Sagittarius for the career reading. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Sagittarius for the career reading. Show me the cards which I need to see. Show me the cards which I need to see. A lot of work related cards for the people of Sagittarius. Okay, 7 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, and the Justice card. Okay, some people are looking out for some information or some message or some kind of news from your job related. You're just looking out for an answer, you're just looking out for an solution, or some news, good news, something like that. You're just looking out for it. Or else, you know, I have invested so much in this project, but it is not turning out. It's just asking you to do more teamwork. A teamwork is needed. A great support is needed. Good colleagues are needed. Supportive colleagues are needed. Supportive team leader is needed. I think you're not getting that. Maybe for some of the people, I could sense, are you not getting that kind of support? Are you not getting that kind of good environment in your project or in your workplace? Because you're not happy? Just because everything doesn't looks very fair for me, ma'am. Not a project one that they are just stealing my name, they are taking my credits. Okay, let's see why the Justice card is here. Why the Justice card is here? Show me the cards. Why the Justice card is here? Why the Justice card is here for the people of Sagittarius? I told you, right? There is a lot of resistance. They are trying to push you away. They are trying to push you away here. Maybe for many of the people, gents and rather ladies, not just you are facing any kind of problem here. A lot of resistance I could see. Resistance, pushing you away, not giving you the credits, sucking your time, sucking all your work and taking the credits in their name. Why the 7 of Pentacles is here? Why the 7 of Pentacles is here? I told you, right? Devil, Queen of Cups, King of Swords, and the Devil. You're trapped. You feel like you're trapped. You're so, like, you know, for some of the people, you know, because Queen of Cups and the King of Swords. Maybe for some of the people, married couples, they would be torturing you. Or some of the people, you know, one man and one woman giving so much pressure on you, or you feel like trapped there. I'm doing my best, but I'm not getting the name and the recognition. Why the 3 of Pentacles? One second. It's feel like ரொம்ப லாங்கா இருக்கு. ரொம்ப நாளா ரொம்ப long durationாவே இது மாதிரி போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு ஒரு feel. It seems like you're not that satisfied. Why the 3 of Pentacles is here? Why the 3 of Pentacles is here? Why the 3 of Pentacles is here for the people of Sagittarius? Why the 3 of Pentacles is here? 3 of Pentacles is classified by 3 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. Okay. As I told you, right? 3 of Pentacles is clarified by the 3 of Pentacles. Okay. you need a teamwork, but maybe it is not that fair. Okay, try to collide with them. Vera vali illa nam avangaloda dhaan irundhaganum. Knight of Swords. Okay, take some actions on them, like or you know, just leave it to the God. Okay, nee enna panni enna ஏமாத்ரே பண்ணிக்கோ அவ்வளவுதான். Because I believe in karma, I want you also to believe that, because நம்ம நல்லது பண்ணா நமக்கு நல்லது நடக்கும். அடுத்தவங்களோடது திருடுறது, அடுத்தவங்களோடது பண்ணா it will again come back to us. What we serve, it's what we are going to receive. But you know, if the teamwork works better for you, you'll be the king. You'll be the king. See, என்னெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு, see, don't be for some of the people, don't get so unhappy for the time you have invested in this project, or the time you have invested in the particular company or something like that, because everything is going to turn into gold very soon. Because I got the justice card here. Justice card. Okay, could be there could be some resistance, but still you will get what you have done. நீங்க வந்து நிறைய கொடுத்திருந்தீங்க அப்படினா you are going to receive without any doubt. Without any doubt. You are going to get. You are going to get. Don't worry. Three of Pentacles. Okay. What's the advice for the Sagittarius? What's the best advice for the Sagittarius? What's the best advice for the people of Sagittarius? You are trying to work on it. Nine of Pentacles. If you are left alone, you are alone, just enjoy that. Just enjoy that. It's just asking you to enjoy your alone time. Even if you feel like அவங்களாம் என்ன ஒதுக்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு, they are taking my credits also, என்னை ஒதுக்கியும் விட்டுறாங்க, அவங்கெல்லாம் ஒரு கும்பலா இருக்காங்க, they are just enjoy your alone time. Don't feel இந்த உலகத்துல வந்து ஒரு கிரியேட் பண்ணி வச்சிட்டாங்க, தனியா இருந்துட்டா வந்துட்டு எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டு டிப்ரெஸ்ட் ஆயிடுவாங்க. தனியா இருந்தா அதை விட ஒரு நிம்மதி வேற எதுவுமே இல்லை இந்த உலகத்துல. Don't feel like oh நம்மள அவங்க சேர்த்துக்கணும். Who are they to give us the இது வந்து இது பண்றதுக்கு அது பண்றதுக்கு? You feel like you are doing it right, if you are doing the best, நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு இருங்க. Just advising you to enjoy your alone time, and if possible go for a vacation and come back. Okay, thank you Sagittarius people for tuning in. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and this is my kind request. Okay, next on the Capricorn. I don't have a big props. I have only this mobile. It's record in the mobile, and I record on the mobile. This is what I only have. I have to do my job. Tarot reading pandradagatum, Insta upload pandradagatum, YouTube pandradagatum. I don't have a big props or something like that. Maybe in future, with God's grace, I would get some of the prop. Adala vandu paakalam ana seiyala abindradha vandu irukku. But if you feel like okay, it looks very normal, definitely I would try my best. I would give my best for the tarot reading. But perissa vandu like you could see the ipa nama Tamil la vandu நான் tarot reading பார்த்ததுல வந்துட்டு ஒரே ஒரு பொண்ணு தான் வந்துட்டு tarot reading வந்து பண்றாங்க தமிழ்ல. வேற யாரும் தமிழ்ல வந்துட்டு இது வரைக்கும் பண்ணல. மேபி இந்த ஃபியூச்சர் எல்லாரும் வந்து பண்ணலாம் செய்யலாம், அந்த மாதிரிலாம் சான்சஸ் இருக்கு. பட் திஸ் இஸ் வாட் ஐ ஹேவ். ஓகே, டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ண வேணாம். வில் கோ ஃபார் த Capricorn. ஓகே, ஷோ மீ த கார்ட்ஸ் which I need to see for the people of Capricorn. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Capricorn regarding their career reading. Career reading. Show me the cards which I need to see. Show me the cards which I need to see. Capricorn, right? Capricorn. For the career. Capricorn career reading, please. Three of Pentacles. Four of Swords. Eight of Cups. Some of you taking risks, some of you are under healing period regarding the work or something like that. And most of them, you know, you're not Capricorn. I don't see. ரொம்ப neutral ah தான் வந்திருக்கு. Let's see. Okay, Three of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Eight of Cups. Let's clarify why the Eight of Cups is here. Okay, Eight of Cups. You are on the verge of I want to leave. Why the Eight of Pentacles is here for the people of Capricorn? Why the Eight of Pentacles is here for the people of Capricorn? Why the Eight of Pentacles is here for the people of Capricorn? Why the Eight of Pentacles is... Sorry. Eight of Cups is here. Why the Eight of Cups? Why the Eight of Cups? Why the Eight of Cups is here for the people of Capricorn? Regarding their career reading. Why the Eight of Cups is here? There is a lot of you know, conflict. Niya nana. So much of competition in your workplace. So much of competition in your workplace. Maybe for some of the people ku transfer ke vandittu nee po na povada and madri ennala vandu inga konjam sense panna mudiyudhu. Okay, and there is a lot of disagreement, lot of conflict, lot of competition in your workplace for the people of Capricorn. That is why, you know, like, I'm not எனக்கு ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு தலைவலியா இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி. Why the Four of Swords is here? 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 Four of Swords is clarified by the Ace of Swords, the Emperor, and the Lovers. Okay. For some of the people, you know, when it comes to business or when it comes to Simno, I just believed in him, but அவரே இப்போ வந்து எனக்கு போட்டியாக வராரு. அவர் அந்த பிஸ்னஸ் பார்ட்னரே எனக்கு வந்து இப்போ வந்துட்டு இதுவாக இருக்கார். அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு சிச்சுவேஷன் இப்போ மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த பீப்புளுக்கு. தெர் இஸ் லாட் கோயிங் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட். பாருங்கள், வை என்ற மாதிரி. யூ ஆர் டேக்கிங் ரெஸ்ட். இட்ஸ் பெட்டர் டு டேக் ரெஸ்ட். டோன்ட் திங்க் மச். என்ன சொல்யூஷன் வேணால் பாருங்கள். இப்படி இருக்குமோ, அப்படி இருக்குமோ, அப்படி இருக்குமோ, இப்படி இருக்குமோ. ப்ளீஸ் டோன்ட். பிகாஸ் ஃபார் சம் ஆஃப் த பீப்புள் யூ ஹேவ் பீன் பேக் ஸ்டாப்ட். பிகாஸ் என் கூட இருந்துகிட்டே வந்துட்டு என்கிட்ட சொல்லாமல் கொள்ளாமல் ஹி ஜஸ்ட் இந்த மாதிரிலாம் வந்து பண்ணிட்டாரு. அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு ஃபீலிங். For some of the people, you know, you don't find stability in your job. Stability இருக்கிற மாதிரி எனக்கு தெரியல இந்த இதில். ஜாபே எனக்கு பெரிய மிஸ்ஸியாக இருக்குது. இதில் காம்படிஷன் வேறு நிறையா இருக்குது. அந்த மாதிரி. Why the Three of Pentacles is here? Why the Three of Pentacles is here? Why the Three of Pentacles is here? Please clarify. Why the Three of Pentacles is here? Three of Pentacles is clarified by already நமக்கு Four of Swords இருக்கு பாருங்க. இதுவே திருப்பி வந்திருக்கு. Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Tower, Four of Swords and the Ten of Swords. முதுகுல குத்திட்டாங்க அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு இது. Lot of competition, lot of thinking, you know, அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு situation. Capricorn. Let me heal. Suddenly வந்துட்டு இந்த மாதிரிலாம் வந்து நடக்கும்னு வந்துட்டு I didn't expect, but it happened in my work. It's பெரிய தலைவலிங்க எனக்கு அந்த மாதிரி. What's advice for the people of Capricorn? What's advice for the people of Capricorn? What's advice for the people of Capricorn? Partnership வச்சுக்காதீங்க. colleagues மட்டும் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. If you give more, see at last working place is different, our friends are very different. Try to differentiate that. Not to have any kind of partnership, because that is why you are facing a lot of problems here. Please பேசி நார்மலாக பேசி we just come out of it. அதே மாதிரி for working people, வேலை பார்க்குற இடம் வேற, நம்மளோட ரியல் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்ன்றது வேற. At one point of time things will be different. Okay, so I advise you to நீங்கள் எப்படி நடந்துக்கணுன்றது இனி நீங்கள் தான் வந்து முடிவு செஞ்சுக்கணும். Don't believe. Okay, for the people of Aquarius, show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Aquarius regarding their career reading. Regarding their career reading, show me the cards which I need to see. And you know, Capricorn, if you are looking out for andadala vandu ipadikku edum panna vena, new tie up andha madri vandu, it's not showing that great. Maybe it will get delay ano enamo, but tie up ku perusa vandu enakku nallada kaatala. Okay, Aquarius, show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Aquarius. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Aquarius regarding their career reading. Show me the cards which I need to see. Your recent or I don't know, you have become so obsessed with your work. You're just, it's overwhelming in your mind. You have become so materialistic in your work, I could see here. Ace of Swords, Nine of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. Let's see why the Nine of Wands is here for the people of Aquarius. Show me the cards which I need to see. Why the Aquarius is, sorry, why the Nine of Wands is here for the people of Aquarius. Why the Nine of Wands is here for the people of Aquarius. இது வந்து எப்படி தெரியுமா, at the edge of the moment வரைக்கும் நீங்க போராடம் அந்த மாதிரி. You're just still doing it, but let's see. It's going to be victory. You're going to be in victory, but you have become so materialistic, so obsessed. It's mine, அந்த மாதிரி. Why am I doing this? Because there is a lot of நிறைய பேர் இதுக்கு வந்து போட்டி போகிறாங்க. ஸோ ஐ ஹாவ் டு, நான் வந்து முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு ஐ வில் பி, நான் வந்து இப்படி தான் வந்து நான் வந்துட்டு இருப்பேன். பிகாஸ் ரிகார்டிங் த மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக், ரிகார்டிங் த வெல்த், யூ ஹாவ் பிகம் ஸோ அப்சஸ்ட். மேம் இதுக்கு நிறைய வந்துட்டு காம்படிஷன் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் வந்துட்டு ஐ ஹவ் பிகம் ஸோ இது, அதனால் ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு இதில் வந்து இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் ஆகிட்டேன். எனக்கு இதுதான் வந்து வேணும், ஐ வாண்ட் திஸ் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஆகிட்டேங்க. Become very obsessed. I need this, I want this, I will do whatever I want to get this. And the madri, because there are so much competition in the position, there is so much. So I have all the source, I have to have everything. So enna venalu na vandu pannuven, and the madri you are in the situation. Why the Four of Pentacles is here? Why the Four of Pentacles is here? Show me the cards, please. Why the Four of Pentacles is here? Why the Four of Pentacles is here? Five of Wands, King of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Conflict, disagreement, and you would be facing a lot of problem now. நீங்கள் நிறைய பேருக்கு இப்போ எதிரி ஆயிருப்பீங்க. கண்டிப்பாக ஆயிருப்பீங்க. முந்தி நல்லா இருந்திருக்கலாம், பட் மோஸ்ட் இப்போ நிறைய பேர் உங்களையே அப்படி தான் பார்ப்பாங்க. Ace of Swords. Why the Ace of Swords is here? நிறைய பேருக்கு எதிரியாக இருப்பீங்க. They would not see you. நீங்கள் உங்களை வந்துட்டு நிறைய டிஸ்அக்ரிமெண்ட்ஸ் போயிட்டுருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி வந்துட்டு you are just who I'll do அந்த மாதிரி தான். I'm not going to leave it for anyone. Because I have done a lot to achieve this position. நான் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டிருக்கேன். நான் வந்து ரொம்ப நான் சந்திச்ச அவ்வளோ இதை தாண்டி I have come here. Yes, I understand. But don't be so obsessed. Don't be so materialistic. Why the Ace of Swords is here? Why the Ace of Swords is here? Ace of Swords is clarified by the Four of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Ten of Swords. Because அவ்வளோ அடிபட்டிருக்கேன் நான், சும்மாலாம் இங்கே வரல. எவ்வளோ இருக்கு தெரியுமா? இன்னைக்கு இது வேண்டியே ஆகணும் அந்த மாதிரி. சரி, எவ்வளோ ரிலவெண்ட்டாக வருது பாருங்க. The pain which I have come across, no one should, அந்த மாதிரி. What's the advice for the people of Aquarius? What's the advice for the people of Aquarius? I have all the source right now. I can do whatever I want. You're holding on to something. எனக்கு இதுதான் வேணும், எனக்கு இதுதான் வேணும், எனக்கு இதுதான், எப்படி தான், I want this, I want that, because I have a lot of pain, lot of endurance, lot of resilience, so that I want this. What's advice for the people of Aquarius? You will do whatever you want to achieve it. See, you have everything. The advice is you have everything. அடுத்து என்ன, அடுத்து என்ன, அடுத்து என்ன, அடுத்து என்ன, அடுத்து என்ன அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் போயிட்டீங்கன்னா at one point of time I have everything but peace is not there with me. அந்த மாதிரி ஆயிடும். I have everything but still what's next? இல்லைனா you will enter into spirituality. Okay, I have seen everything. This is the time for the spirituality. Or everybody will abandon you. So be careful. Okay. Last but not the least, Pisces. Okay. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Pisces. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Pisces. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Pisces. Show me the cards which I need to see for the people of Pisces. For the career reading. Third party influence, lot of heartbreak, lot of pain. But still, everything will come to you. But there is a third party situation. There are somebody is involving in your workplace or in your business, something like that. But you know what? You are a king. You are king. There is somebody is going to help you in your workplace. Somebody will help you regarding your heartbreak or regarding your anything it related to your career. Somebody is going to help you. Could be most of the people, could be men help you would get. Okay, for some of the people, even though the third party situation, still பணத்துக்குலாம் எந்த ஒரு கஷ்டமும் வந்து இல்லை. You will be rocking, you will be in a, many people would be in a great position when it comes to this King of Pentacles, bank officers, money related, stocks. Okay, let's see why the Three of Swords is here. Okay, why the Three of Swords is here? Why the Three of Swords is here? Ten of Pentacles, Page of Wands and the Fool. Somebody has started some new beginning regarding in your career. You have seen the right direction. You are just following the passion. But still there are problems, maybe in your family, something, or in your workplace. There is some sense of unhappiness. Or is that your family problem is affecting your work? Is that your family problem affecting your work? Careful about it. Don't let the family problem affecting your work. Okay. Let's see why the King of Pentacles is here. Why the King of Pentacles is here? 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 Wow. Though you have so many hindrances, so many obstacles, since I could see a lot of success in your work. Two of Cups, Page of Swords, Ten of Cups. If you want to tie up, yes, you can go for a tie up. If you want to have some good soulmate in your workplace or in your business, anything it could be, it's going to bring you success. Yes, success. Ten of Cups. Pisces. Why the King of Wands is here? ஏதோ ஒரு third party situation is still stopping you. அது யாருன்னு வந்துட்டு you have to be careful about it. Is that your family problem or anything is in any third party situation is involving in your work? Why the King of Wands is here? Why the King of Wands is here? Pisces, for some of the people, could be in love in your workplace. Could be that affecting you. Workplace love panna illa. Work வேலையில நிம்மதியா இருக்கலாம்னு பார்த்தா இங்கேயும் லவ் பண்ணிட்டு இங்கேயும் ப்ராப்ளமா இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி. King of Wands. Why the King of Wands is here? Three of Cups, Six of Cups, Justice. See, there is a problem, but still everything is great when it comes to your work for the people of Pisces. Okay, try to balance it out. Whatever you do in your thing, that is going to be a great success. Celebration is everything is going to be great, and do justice of whatever you do in your work. Okay, play the fair game அப்படினு சொல்வாங்கல்ல. That's what is needed in that. Okay, balance. Six of Cups, Six of Cups, Six of Cups. Okay, okay, I could say a lot of emotions here in your workplace. Lot of emotions. What's the best advice for the people of Pisces? What's the best advice for the people of Justice? What's the best advice for the people of Pisces? There is a lot of love here, lot of emotions here in your workplace or in your career. Try to separate, try to, professional is different, personal is different. Do not mix both here. Because work pandra place, if somebody is or in love, yes, you are going through a heartbreak, yes, there is a problem, but still there is a lot of scope in your work. Please do that. Don't advises not to involve the love in your workplace. So this is what it is for you guys. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for the love, and let's spread only love. Thank you so much.